In today's video, I will be sharing some easy steps I follow in the past to manifest even my wildest dreams. Follow me on social so you get to see more of the inspirational content I share every day, and let's get right into it. Recognize your limiting beliefs. Sometimes we're holding on to limiting beliefs that are not letting us live the life we truly deserve. They could be so powerful that no matter how hard we try to control our thoughts, we still won't be able to manifest our dreams. Write down any negative thoughts and notice which ones come up repeatedly. Those are your limiting beliefs. It isn't until we dissolve these limiting beliefs that we achieve the law of attraction success we want. Choose something new to believe in, something that will help to improve your life. For example, if you grew up thinking that you are too shy to meet new people, replace it with a new empowering belief like, people love to hear me speak. This transition may not be easy at first, but I promise you, the more you put effort into changing these limiting beliefs, the easier it will be for you to manifest the life you really want. You will need to have the strength and courage to make that change in thinking and adopting your new beliefs. Practice gratitude through affirmations. Write a list of affirmations that inspire you and motivate you to be the person you want to be. For example, if you want to be a successful photographer, what would be the characteristics and behaviors of this ideal version of yourself? Go ahead and write them all down. How would I dress? How would I speak? What would I eat? The more specific you get, the better. Make sure you write them all down in present tense, feeling grateful already for living your best life. These affirmations over time will help you set up a new belief system in the subconscious mind, and soon they will become part of the new you. Over time, the consistent repetition of daily positive affirmations will help you reshape your inner beliefs about yourself and the world around you. They will also help you vibrate in alignment with abundance, which can help you manifest your goals even faster. These positive affirmations reconnect you with feelings of gratitude and will help you overcome any inner barriers and self-doubt you may have. They can also boost your happiness and raise your vibrational frequency. Be open to receive. Sometimes we're so focused on the things that we're lacking that we might miss the opportunities that the universe is trying to give us. That's why it's so important to live every day with an open mind and heart. This way we can be in tune with the wonderful experiences that are waiting to be conquered. Also, when you have done your work in completing the steps mentioned before, you can relax and let go. This way you're sending out the vibration that everything is being taken care of while you keep building the life of your dreams. Release all resistance and keep that energy elevated by focusing on the things you love, and stay open for the expansion of the best version of yourself. Let me know in the comments what you intend to manifest this year. Sending you all my love and gratitude. Until next time.